The first step to apply CAD-CUT Express Print patterns accurately is to make sure your garment's loaded and your print area is completely flat. From there, I can set up the temperature and the time accordingly. CAD-CUT Patterns in the Express Print product applies at 300 degrees for 15 to 20 seconds. It also requires a preheat. In this case, I'm going to use a 5-second preheat to remove the moisture from my garment. It requires a medium pressure, and so I'll lock the press down to feel for the pressure and also to read the display on my control board. Right now it's reading a 7, which is more of a firm pressure. So I'm going to go ahead and retract the pressure just a little bit to get closer to a 4, 5, or a 6 on the control board. And then it's also completing my preheat at the same time. With the pressure accurate, the time and the temperature accurate, and the garment preheated, I'll position my CAD-CUT Patterns Express Print design. In this case, I'm utilizing the buffalo plaid pattern, but it can be customized and create patterns in literally thousands of styles. With it positioned into place, cover it with the cover sheet, and lock down for the full 15 seconds. Express Print patterns are a warm peel, which means I'll give it 5 seconds to cool down while on the press, and then remove the carrier from the design. Peel at a 45-degree angle to reveal your completed result. Now, CAD-CUT Patterns can be used all by itself, but I love adding an outline to the pattern. To me, it just makes it stand off more on the garment. So in this case, we're going to use our Ultra Weed product for an outline to show you what that looks like. I'll position it directly over top of the pattern material. I can see through the clear carrier. Then I'll cover that with the cover sheet, and I'll make sure I complete the Ultra Weed application. In this case, it takes 300 degrees at 12 seconds. So I'll just reduce my time slightly. I've already preheated the garment, so I want both settings at 12 seconds. And then I'll lock it down for the application. Ultra Weed is a hot peel, making the process quick and easy.